What's going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Skylar back here with another video. Today we're gonna go over to Kel's to test fit some wheels. So I don't know if you guys have seen his wheels before, and to be honest, I forgot what they even are. I think they're gonna be a little too wide, but we shall see. So even if I don't end up with these, I'll have an idea of what to get. So let me give you guys a cold start and let's get on our way. That just never ever gets old. Let me All right, so update for you guys on that thing. It has to do with the tolls in Japan. So a lot of the highways there are tolled, and what I found out is it's like a SIM card or like a debit card reader or something. So this is just an old hotel key that I found. It fits right in here, and it's like it freaks out when I do this. But yeah, so a card goes in there, and you guys can update me with some more research. But we're gonna let this thing get to operating temperature and head over to Kel's. So I made it safely, and these are the wheels right here. Weds, what, Cerberus ones, right?
Cerberus ones.
Cerberus ones here.
We'll see though, they're kind of wide.
They are extremely wide. What are they, like 11s in the back?
11s, 18 by 11 with 4.5 whips. We'll see.
Holy shit. I don't know, man. I don't know if you guys can tell, but Kel has gone away from the stance life like a lot of people, man.
I'm done with it, dog.
Dude, I'm not about it anymore.
I busted tires like crazy, man. That's your problem too. You're busting through tires like crazy.
Dude, I just like, that's actually how this whole thing started. Is I took off my wheels because they wouldn't seal. I was like, all right, you know what, I'm gonna sell them. And then I took them off. I was like, you know what, I want a new car. So that's what happened. And you guys can see my car is still just sitting in the garage, but let's not worry about that for right now. But yeah, man, I haven't read into any wheel spec fitment forums or anything, so
I have no idea either.
We shall see.
It looks wide enough.
Dude, I mean, I don't know if it's because it looks wide enough or because I have like 6.5 wides on the back.
Yeah, I know. That's
but oh shit. Anyways, we'll find out. So, just in case you guys were wondering, 10.5s are too wide. Or 10s? What are they? Whatever I said before.
18 by 11.
Holy shit. 18 by 11s are too wide on a Skyline. I'm not gonna lie, they look good on the car, but I'm like, who did I just say? John, what's his Instagram?
Trap God Ron.
Trap God Ron. Trap God Ron 2.0. But they do look good. I'm not gonna bother even putting one on the front, but I'm kind of like Tyler Flauco right now.
Tyler Flauco.
Dude, in his Miata, isn't this his fitment?
I mean, he's got more camber.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks tight, dude. It's too bad.
I know. I'm kind of pissed.
Bro, if you go bagged though.
Dude, if I go bagged.
It'll fit.
If I go bagged.
You
Anyways.
can get 15 mil overs or something.
We gon'. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off now. All right, so you guys saw that those were way too wide. They did look really good on the car, but there's just no way I could make that work. We are currently at Sheetz right now, my favorite place. I'm gonna grab some breakfast and we can just go from there. But as far as my next wheels go, I think I'm gonna look at 18 by 9.5s plus 12, 18 by 9s plus 5 or something like that. Even the 9s plus 12 would probably fit. But it's hot as hell in here. I'll see you guys later. All right, I just got home from school. Skylar's looking amazing right now. But anyways, I need some suggestions on, one, what wheels would look good on this thing. Two, what wheel specs. Cause these wheels, they gotta go, man. They ain't doing it. They aren't doing it for me. So, still absolutely love this car, but just needs some new wheels. I just wanted to talk about something real quick before I wrap up this video. Turbo flutter. All right, so when it flutters like that, that means the blow-off valve is blocked off, and I am getting so many different mixed ideas and opinions on whether that's good for the car or not. So I've had people say, "Oh, it's stock boost, it's stock turbo, it's not gonna hurt it anytime soon. Down the road, it might, but don't worry about it." And then I've had people, you know who you are, John, okay? "Dude, your turbo's gonna blow up. Put your blow-off valve back." And then Carmelo, his freaking Skyline blew up. Or, well, not blew up, it was over boosting when he put the blow-off valve back together, and it was just... Anyways, help me figure out what to do with the blow-off valve, because I absolutely love the way it sounds, but I don't want to damage my car. So, anyways, tell me what you guys want to see from the car, from the channel. New videos every Friday, and I'm going to try to upload at least, you know, once or twice more during the week too. So anyways, this has been Fitz and Skylar back here with another video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.